Hey guys, Josh here from My Alpha Empowerment. Today I want to talk about why silence is one of the most powerful things that you can implement in your life today that will make women go crazy. Now, that's not our goal to make women go crazy, but what I mean by crazy is crazy for you, okay? Silence creates repetitive thoughts in a woman's mind. When there's repetitive thoughts, that leads to an obsessive thought pattern, okay? And that obsessive thought pattern in return creates attraction. And when this is the most useful is when a woman isn't showing you the value that she should be, okay? Or that you deserve, more frankly. And this isn't really meant to, punish women that, for no reason. What I'm saying is if a woman is actually blowing you off, right, and not treating you right, this is a wonderful time to pull the old silence card out because scarcity has and always will create value. And when you have high value as a man, then now the attraction can go up. So this is a really good way to raise attraction, okay? And in my own life, I can think back so many times that there's so many things you could say to a woman, right? But nothing will equate to the power that silence has, okay? Silence creates mystery. Mystery creates attraction. Now, how could this apply to you in your life? Say you start going out with a woman, okay? You're crazy about her and you think she's crazy about you, but suddenly she starts answering your text a lot slower than she normally does. Or say she flakes on a date or has to reschedule. The best thing you can do is disappear, okay? Not forever necessarily, but what I'm saying is there has to be a pullback from your end. And what that can mean interpretation wise is basically she texts you finally after you go cold for a while, right? And you're not so eager to respond. In fact, you might wait out even another couple days or even a week for that matter. And what you'll see the next time you interact with her, she's more attentive, she's more aggressive to get with you, okay? And she shows a lot more interest than before when you were always available. Now, good, healthy women aren't gonna play games like this all the time, but the truth is, all women at some point, they're gonna play a little bit of games, okay? And the guys who chase never get the girl. Just remember that. So silence is one of the most powerful tools you guys can use. Never forget it, okay? Like I said, you can say all these lines in the book, but silence is one of the most powerful things that will always be more powerful than a bunch of lines. Have a great day. Be empowered.
Discover the irresistible alpha formula, your ultimate guide to seduction and charisma.